What's inside my brother's diary? This is an old diary, so it's not exactly up to date, but he can still relate to that stuff. It's upside down. Does it really matter? It's fine. Okay. It's a funny old diary from the 1990s. Okay. First page. This is really funny. I like Ashley. She is hot with a capital H. Gary is a fag. Kid who lived down the road, bugged the crap out of them. This is a bunch of phone numbers and stuff. And let's see. 12-17-1999. Gary threw a rock at my friend Taryn. He also threw a rock and hurt my leg. Very descriptive. He broke my hockey stick. Period. That's not very good for punctuation. Maybe. Bye. Stole my friend Taryn's play gun and did not give it back. But we said we would tell Jada, Taryn's mom. Then he went to his backyard and gave it back, finally, because he is afraid of Jada. That's what it says on that page. This is funny stuff. And then in blue, it says, Ashley times about like 20 times. And at the bottom it says G. There's two Ashleys, so actually G. And this one says, I got sent to my room yesterday for not turning in all my work. Greg and my mom have been, and it's scribbled out, and they're being scribbled out. Seriously, it's scribbled out. I don't know what it says. Let's see. I wrote a couple things in here. My mom said as long as we don't take things out, we can add stuff. And then I noticed something. The same blue crayon that he wrote Ashley, G. On this part, it says a hot. It's just kind of funny. Yeah, it's a good conversation piece. There's something else in there somewhere, like in the middle. Like, it just said something, remember? I don't remember what or exactly where in his little journal diary, mabob. I can't find it. Okay. Well, yeah, that's just kind of a goofy old thing I found. It's a good conversation piece and something fun to be nosy about. Bye. Like and subscribe. Click that thumbs up somewhere below there. Probably to this side, but because I'm on camera, it might be flipped, so it would be like on that side, or just look around, subscribe. I'm gonna make more videos. I'm gonna make some doll stop motion things, and yeah. Bye. Like and subscribe. By the way, stay awesome. My sister took my aviators. That would be a real cool look. I'd just be like, pale. Like and subscribe, people. Oh. I put the other finger up. Bye. Goodbye, mummies.